I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, April 29th, 2023. Dr. Piotr Oglaza, Medical Officer of Health for Kingston, Frontenac, Lennox, and Addington Public Health, presented a brief community health update earlier this week. Oglaza began with an update on the success of the Public Health Outreach Program, which provides low-barrier access to public health services for underhoused community members. It also provides access to routine and high-risk vaccines and sexually transmitted blood-borne infection testing and treatment. PSAC, Canada's largest federal public service union, has been on strike now for 10 days. With more than 155,000 members on the picket lines, it is one of Canada's largest strikes in history, resulting in delays in everything from traffic and travel to transport application meetings. Christopher Snooks, who represents the Union of National Defence Employees Local 641, received a cease and desist letter signed by Colonel Sonny Hatton, commander of CFB Kingston, just after noon on Friday, April 28, 2023. Reached by phone, Snooks called the letter meaningless. Snooks was clear in his opinion that picketers have done nothing illegal. On Tuesday, May 2, 2023, Kingston City Council will receive an update on a proposed downtown conference center, with staff recommending the city explore opportunities for a privately owned and operated venue located next to the Leon Center. If approved, the RFI would seek out private sector proposals for a conference center located at Block 4, the vacant lot next to downtown Kingston's Leon Center. Guidelines for the site call for a multi-use redevelopment of the space, including a restaurant, hotel, residential, ground floor commercial spaces, and other complementary uses. April is Oral Health Month, and tooth decay has become a crisis in Kingston and the surrounding areas. Alison Bradshaw, public health promoter on the dental and vision team at KFL&A Public Health, made a presentation to the board about child and adult dental health in the region. Prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, school screenings of 5-year-olds showed 1 in 5 had active dental decay. But since COVID, we've seen a 50% increase in the rate of tooth decay, said Bradshaw. 1 in 4 adults in KFL&A avoid the dentist due to the cost, Bradshaw stated. That's equivalent to about 22,000 adults avoiding the dentist because of the cost. Canadians go to work each day expecting to return home safely. But for too many workers and their families, this expectation is unrealistic. According to the Association of Workers' Compensation Boards of Canada, there were 1,081 workplace fatalities in 2021 alone. Each year on April 28th, Canadians remember and honor those who have been killed or suffered injuries or illnesses at work. This day is known as the National Day of Mourning. 4 decades have passed since the National Day of Mourning's first observance, and the annual toll from workplace fatalities in Canada continues to remain high. At a meeting on Tuesday, May 2, 2023, Kingston City Council will be asked to approve nearly $70,000 in spending for a previously announced tiny home project geared toward local veterans. The project, led by Homes for Heroes, will create 20 self-contained tiny home units, which will be made available to precariously housed veterans through a new Veterans Village at 730 King Street West. The City of Kingston is selling up to 1,000 discounted backyard composters for $30 during the month of May. According to a release from the city, dated Friday, April 28, 2023, residents can take advantage of this opportunity by visiting the Kingston Area Recycling Center at 196 Lappins Lane. The recycling center is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday and 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday. For more on these stories and other local news, please visit kingstonist.com and subscribe.